It would be inconsistent, I think, preposterous even, to think that a man could enter the pastorate without adequate training and experience. Every trade requires training. It requires faithful instruction, coaching, you could call it. Wisdom from other people who have walked that path for many years already. The pastorate is not just another job or another trade or another hobby even that a man could pick up on the way. It's the most important work in the world, because the pastor, the elder, is in the business of dealing with souls, he's in the business of shepherding, of under-shepherding Christ's precious sheep. And therefore he needs to be trained and ordained, confirmed first, and ordained and guided by elder qualified men. And that is the pattern we see in the scriptures with the apostles and Jesus, with Timothy and Paul. And in addition to that, I want to be trained because God is faithful. God is worthy of me being faithful. God is worthy of me giving my best and of me being trained to adequately handle His word. God is worthy, and His people are lovely and precious to Him. And that's why I want to be trained. And the internship has provided the opportunity for me to walk closely with the faithful elders of my church. They're all faithful. In a way that I wouldn't have been able to had I not been an intern. And I could pray to the Lord. I could beg the Lord to make me like each one of them, because they're so much like Christ, and they're so full of knowledge and wisdom. And I've been the beneficiary of all of that wisdom and teaching and faithful example. And secondly, experiences. I have been blessed through this internship to receive a lot of experience in different areas of ministry, such as in administration, let's say, or leadership. Or I've been able to see how one should lead a people, how one should lead other leaders or a ministry, and that's been a great blessing. Also in teaching, which has been, I would say, the delight of my whole experience as an intern, my greatest delight. I've been very blessed that I've received many wonderful friendships that I hope could last for the rest of my life. And at the same time, I've been humbled by this internship. Before I became an intern, I didn't know any other young guy who wanted to be a pastor, who loved theology as much as I did. And so I thought I was the big thing, and then I came here and I realized that I know nothing and that I knew infinitely less and had infinitely less experience than everybody else here, than every other intern. And so I began to see not only the elders as mentors, but also the other interns, and to make friendships that I pray could last for the rest of our lives. I think seminary has taught me sound doctrine and how to get the point of the text right. Outside of that, all the experiences, all the examples, all the opportunities to actually do the work of the ministry, everything has come from the internship. Excel Ministries provides all these opportunities for training that no other training ministry that I've ever encountered provides, and that's why I decided to become an intern.